More vaccine doses could soon be on the way for Americans. The Food and Drug Administration announced today that the Johnson & Johnson vaccine meets the requirements for emergency use, with possible final authorization by the end of the week.
It's a race to reach America's most vulnerable communities hit hardest by the pandemic. And the Biden administration says it's taking immediate action to do that.
We are at war with this virus, and we're using every resource at our disposal to defeat it.
Government officials vowing to send 25 million masks to 1,300 community health centers and 60,000 food pantries starting next month. The White House also promising to start delivering 14.5 million doses to states per week. But that's only if the Johnson & Johnson single-dose vaccine gets the green light, which could happen as early as Friday.
If the emergency use authorization is received this week, we hope to contribute to ending this pandemic as soon as possible.
The FDA announcing the vaccine appears to be 85% effective at preventing severe illness, saying it's also effective against all coronavirus variants and may even prevent asymptomatic infections. Meantime, new vaccine megasites continue popping up across the country, the latest one in New York opening in Brooklyn on Wednesday. The governor says it's the largest in the state and can handle 21,000 shots a week.
It was horrific watching your neighbors die, watching the ambulance come and pick up your neighbors. It was very horrible for us, and I thank God that today we are able to get our vaccines.
Cars also lining up at Houston's NRG Park. The new site will be able to vaccinate 6,000 people a day, 7 days a week.
This site marks the biggest effort to date to get our community vaccinated.
So far, the CDC reports more than 13% of the U.S. population has gotten at least one shot. And according to an HHS memo obtained by ABC News, the national 7-day average of daily cases is the lowest it's been since October. That number declining over the last month by 64%. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.